Want to make your money work for you? These 7 rules have helped ordinary people build real wealth. Follow them and watch your finances transform. Most people struggle with money because they never learned the simple rules that build true financial security. Today, you'll discover the 7 money rules that can change your life, whether you're starting from scratch or looking to go to the next level. The first rule: always set aside savings before spending on anything else. Even $10 a week adds up fast. Automate transfers, so saving is effortless, not a chore. Do not save what is left after spending. Spend what is left after saving. Know where your money goes. Budgeting isn't restriction. It's about awareness and choice. Use a simple app or a notebook, but never let your cash flow go blind. Awareness is the first step to control. This is the golden rule. Lifestyle inflation ruins most people. Keep your expenses lower than your income and invest the difference. Even tiny surpluses build into big cushions over time. Not all debt is equal. Credit cards and high-interest loans can turn small problems into lifelong setbacks. If you can't pay it off fast, don't borrow it. Use debt for what pays you back, like skill building or investments. If you have debt, tackle the highest interest first and celebrate every balance you bring to zero. Life is full of curveballs: job loss, car repairs, medical bills. An emergency fund, even a small one, turns setbacks into speed bumps, not disasters. Start with 1 month's expenses and grow from there. Time is your greatest asset. The earlier you start investing, the more your money compounds. Set it and forget it with long-term diversified options, even if it's just a few dollars each month. An investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Beliefs about money shape your results. Avoid the all-or-nothing trap, scarcity thinking, or comparing your journey to others. Progress beats perfection. Every small positive change matters. Every money decision is a chance to shape my future. Let's recap. Pay yourself first. Track every dollar. Spend less than you earn. Avoid bad debt. Build emergency savings. Invest early. Master your mindset. Which rule will you focus on this week? Drop your answer in the comments. And don't forget to watch our next video for more practical money wisdom. Small steps today make a huge difference tomorrow. Here's your challenge. Choose one rule. Write down how you'll apply it this week and share your progress below. Let's help each other stay accountable and grow together.